Hi there, boys and girls, and welcome back to Conquering Math. Today we will be going over the independent practice solutions for the least common multiple lesson. Remember that you can pause or rewind this video as necessary to help you understand the problems. Let's dive on in. Independent practice number 1. Find the least common multiple of 6 and 10 using the lists of multiples method. We'll start by listing the multiples of 6 and then the multiples of 10. Some multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, and 60. Some multiples of 10 are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60. We'll underline some common multiples, and we see that 30 and 60 are both common multiples of 6 and 10. Then we will circle the least common multiple. 30 is the least common multiple, the LCM, of 6 and 10. For independent practice problem number 2, we need to find the least common multiple of 25 and 75 using the prime factorization method. We need to start by finding the prime factorization of each number. 25 equals 5 times 5, and 75 equals 3 times 5 times 5. Next, we need to box each factor where it appears the most. You'll notice that 5 times 5 appears twice in each of them, so we can choose where we want to box it. 3 only occurs once in 75, so we'll box it there. So now we have the prime factorization of the least common multiple, which is 3 times 5 times 5. So the least common multiple of 25 and 75 is 75. Independent practice number 3. Use either method to find the least common multiple of 6, 15, and 16. I've chosen to use the prime factorization method again for this problem. We'll start by finding the prime factorization of each of the numbers. We have 6 equals 2 times 3, 15 equals 3 times 5, and 16 equals 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Next, we will box each of the factors where they occur the most, and this will give us the prime factorization of the LCM. So we find that the LCM will equal 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. We could, of course, rewrite this with exponents if we wanted to make it more efficient. But overall, we find that the least common multiple of 6, 15, and 16 is 240. Independent practice number 4. You are planning to grill hot dogs for your upcoming party. The store sells hot dogs in packages of 12 and hot dog buns in packages of 8. How many packages of hot dog buns and packages of hot dogs do you need to buy to have an equal number of each? First, we'll find the prime factorization of 12, which is 2 times 2 times 3, and the prime factorization of 8, which is 2 times 2 times 2. So the prime factorization of the least common multiple is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3, or 2 cubed times 3. And the actual least common multiple is 24. But that doesn't mean that we need 24 bags of buns and 24 bags of hot dogs. So we need to find out how many we need of each. We will need to buy 24 hot dogs and 24 buns to have an equal number of each. So we will need to buy 2 packages of hot dogs and 3 packages of buns. Remember that you can pause and rewind this video as many times as necessary until you understand the process. Thanks for watching this episode of Conquering Math, where it all adds up. I'll see you next time.